Greetings, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to start an hour of code. So first, you're probably going to need to create or sign in so we can create. Again, you can use your Google account. You need probably, if you don't have a Google account already with code.org, click create account. Again, still use your Google account. I highly recommend this. It'll make it a lot easier. I'm just going to pick this one because I do believe I do not have an account with them with this one. And then not save that. All right, so it's going to ask me a bunch of stuff. You're going to put student. It's going to ask you some more information. You don't have to put your name in there. But again, you're going to fill this out real quick. So actually, let me just put student so you can see. Your name, your age, gender. Go to my account. So again, this was a student account. Get started on code.org. Again, you got to click on My Dashboard. And then you're going to go to Course Catalog. And then there's Hour of Code. Now again, pick any one you want. There's more tutorials here. Pick any you want. Some of them, like Minecraft, when you click on it, there's actually different options even on that. But that's it, right? You pick any one you want. Click Start. When you're done, it'll ask you to type in your name. And then you can, so we're going to watch the videos. When you're all done, at the very end, it'll tell you you're finished. Click Next, and it'll get you a certificate that you can fill out. That's all there is to creating an account and getting started with Hour of Code.